my family and I enjoy hiking together. One of my kids' favorite things about hiking has to be the snacks. So as soon as we get to our destination, we stop and we have a snack there, and then of course we head back down. So a really good snack to have is zucchini bread. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some chocolate zucchini bread. So let's go spice things up. So the first ingredient I'm going to add is a zucchini, and this is 4 cups of grated zucchini, 1.5 cups of white sugar, 1.5 sticks of melted butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Now I'm going to stir all the wet ingredients together. Now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of instant coffee, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2.5 cups of flour, and once again I'm going to stir this. And now for the last ingredient, I'm going to add some chocolate chips, and this is 6 ounces of dark chocolate chips. And then just stir that in as well. All right, this looks pretty good. Okay, so now I'm just taking some bread tins, some loaf pans, and I lined them with parchment paper so nothing sticks. You can also just take this and spray it with cooking spray. I like parchment paper because then it's easy to get out of the pans. Anyways, and then you'll just want to take your mixture and just start putting it in the pans evenly. Just like this. And then you'll want to put your pans in the oven at 350, and we're going to come back and check them in about 50 minutes. So after 15 minutes, I checked my zucchini bread and it wasn't done. So now I'm going to check it again. So what you do is you take a toothpick, you stick it in the middle, and if it comes out clean, it is done. So it was cooking for a total of 1 hour and 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna pull them out of the oven. And then I just like to take my zucchini bread right out of the pan. And as you can see, with the parchment paper, it comes right out. And then I'm just cooling them off on a cooling rack, and then we can eat them. But they are done. I love chocolate and my family loves chocolate, so it is of course perfect to bring on our family hikes. For all the chocoholics out there, this one's for you. This is so good. And if you guys like hiking, I hope you take it hiking with you. If you have any questions, please comment below. And if you'd like to see more videos, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.